What's up, everyone? This is James Cuilty from Funnel Dad Secrets, and I want to give a big shout out to my good friend Dan Havey from CF Ninja Hacks. About 3.5 years ago, I had sold my fitness business in order to pursue a business online to give me a little bit more time freedom to spend with my family because we had just started having children and we wanted to be home. Well, I wish I could say that everything went smoothly. It didn't. You know, I have been struggling for the past 3.5 years to get this business up off the ground. Trying to study marketing, definitely trying to figure out how the whole sales funnel game works in order to design a business that would acquire customers and do it profitably. Well, I finally had the opportunity to work with Dan Havey, and he, let me just tell you, he is a ninja. I know exactly why his company is called CF Ninja Hacks. He took my page that I had put together, and he was able to not only fix it, but pull out things that were wrong with it that I didn't even know was possible. I wish I had met him 3.5 years ago. He definitely would have shortcut my learning curve, and I would have been a lot further along than I had been. But because of what he had been able to do in just about 60 minutes, it is definitely going to take what I had put together, and it is going to 10x that. So I'm just here to say that I am just so grateful that I got the opportunity to work with him. He is a very busy person because of his expertise. And I just want to tell all of you that if you are having trouble with your business, if you are having trouble with your funnels, you definitely need to do whatever you need to do to get on his schedule. Not only is he a master at the whole funnel game, he is one of the most humble persons that I've met. A lot of people who are really super intelligent and really talented. You kind of get that feeling that they're looking down upon you, or they're like, why are you wasting my time? That is not Dan at all. Not only is he really super smart, and not only is he intelligent, and not only is he talented, but he is also very humble. And he walked me through the entire process, and he made it very pleasurable. And I didn't feel like I was wasting his time or anything like that. So again, I just want to give a big shout out because I am so grateful that I got the opportunity to actually get on his schedule for him to walk through what I needed to fix in order to 10x my business. So again, I just want to tell each and every one of you, drop whatever it is you're doing. If you are struggling, you need to do whatever you need to do in order to get on his schedule, because he is going to not only 10x your business, not only is he going to be able to fix whatever is wrong on your funnel, he's going to be able to do some really cool things that nobody else is able to do, that's going to set you apart from the rest of the marketplace. So again, thank you so much, Dan, and I wanted to give this shout out to you. I'm telling you, whatever you're doing, drop what you're doing, get on his schedule. That is going to help to shortcut your success. Awesome. That's all I have to say. You guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye.